Hi everyone. In this video we will be seeing the specifications, features and colors of Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Welcome to our channel Tech Prime Info. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display. This mobile comes in Prism White, Prism Black and Prism Blue colors. It has a triple rear camera that packs a 5MP macro camera, 48MP wide-angle camera and 12MP ultra-wide camera. It has a 32MP front camera. The smartphone is available in 6 plus 128GB and 8 plus 128GB variants. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. The smartphone runs on Android 10 OS. The Samsung S10 Lite has an in-display fingerprint sensor to unlock smartphone. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Prime Info.